think my mic's on, yeah. What's good, Buster? Welcome to Z Fever, dog. Alright, y'all. You know what time it is. It's finally dyno day. It's early as hell. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't even think Martin's here yet. I want to see what numbers we can make first before we tell him that we want low boost, just so we can make this a pretty exciting video.
Yes, sir. Crank that baby.
Gotta replace the crank shock sensor. Here, open this. Oh, that's like the quickest thing I've ever done.
That's what she said.
There's Martin.
Hi, Martin. You like my jalopy? Yeah. That's a jalopy king right there. Wow. What the f?
See, there's an easy way to figure out whether it's it's like a lot of times these stupid yeah, the actual mechanism breaks inside of them. Oh yeah, see, it's this one I think. This one doesn't.
It's like loose as hell,
yeah,
right?
try cranking it up now.
Did you just fix that with no tools, nothing?
Well, yeah, but I mean, you got, because it's the symptom. Like, you got to listen for the symptom. The symptom is long crank and then start. So it means one of the either the camera crank sensors are bad.
Do you just go take a piss and like, yeah, I can make more power? I just want to say real quick, thank you, Martin, to everyone at Z Fever for always helping me out with my builds and dialing in my cars. I come to them every single time, literally no issue, and I always learn more about my car every single time I come here. So it's always a great time at Z Fever. Again, shout out to RSM Entropy. I'll put his link in the description below. Also, shout out to Sean, Hot Garbage, and Rob, that Poverty Z, for helping me out with building this kit, making sure it ran and fit well on my car. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do a few test rips for you guys because I know you guys are really interested to see what this car sounds like and how it performs on the road. We still need to dial a few things in before we go ahead and throw it on E85, but I really do think this thing is ready to go on the track now. It's healthy. 383 horsepower on 9 pounds of boost is insane, and I'll go more into depth with that once we get to the shop. But like I said, again, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Z Fever for helping me out, and I really do appreciate you guys for helping me build my kit.
Thank you.
So nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Cheers, honey. Martin, thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
Sean,
Enjoy.
Is there anyone else? I'm gonna say goodbye to Rob. Robbo, you chilling here?
Yeah.
I'm about to head out. Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah, bro. Hit me up.
Yep.
Alright, man. You have a good
All right,
one.
bro. You too, man.
A couple of
Stay safe.
rips.
Don't work too hard.
Get some rips on the bridge.
Yes, sir. I'll get some shots for you. Hello, my name is Double R, and this is my turbo kit. Do you like going fast? Well, I do too. Thanks to Martin and RS Enthalpy, I have a brand new 400 plus horsepower 350Z that'll whoop your DE's ass. No, but on a serious note, thank you so much to Martin. Thank you so much to Hot Garbage and that Poverty Z for helping me out with this turbo kit. Now we're gonna get some rollers for you guys. Let's see how this car reacts on the road. I know you guys wanna hear some sound clips, so let's just get all that started right now.
Come on now, that's that front wheel drive power, baby. You ain't never seen that shit. It's that NA 5-cylinder. It's straight. I thought I smelled, bitch.